No charges. The Wake County District Attorney says the behavior of two troopers was unacceptable, but they did not break the law in their response to a deadly crash. Trooper Garrett Macario and Sgt. Matthew Morrison were under an investigation after an October crash that killed Tyrone Mason. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Deborah Morgan.
And I'm Gerald Owens. The investigation into what happened at the scene showed the troopers colluded on camera to lie about what happened. Today, the Wake County District Attorney decided the two will not be charged.
What I would hope that the public would understand is that, bad conduct is not always criminal conduct.
A lot of respect for Ms. Freeman. It's a tough job. I think that she's making a poor decision in this matter.
WRO's Sean Gallagher is here in the studio. Sean, no criminal charges, but will the troopers keep their jobs?
Yeah, for now they will. State Highway Patrol says that they'll remain on desk duty, but the DA, Lorrin Freeman, will not charge them criminally, saying the evidence would not support a successful prosecution after Trooper Macario gave false statements about his involvement in the chase. The investigation showed Mason ran from a state trooper, hitting speeds around 100 miles per hour. Trooper Macario stopped chasing him, but shortly after, Mason crashed and died at the scene. The report says Sergeant Morrison advised Trooper Macario to not disclose to responding officers that he had attempted to initiate a traffic stop of Mr. Mason. Instead, Morrison suggested Macario say he had just rolled up on the wreck. It's a lie Freeman says was designed to help them avoid handling the crash investigation, not to hide any wrongdoing, though Emancipate NC's executive director disagrees.
This is a miscarriage of justice on the highest level. And the people of Wake County, I hope they are paying attention. These officers colluded and worked together to obstruct justice and make it harder for this mother to learn the truth.
Lying about involvement in a case, standing alone, does not confer any criminal or civil liability on the officer. If you did that, and you lied about it, that would be obstructing of justice. But the police officer is on a different level than you.
Now, DA Freeman says there is other evidence that Macario did own up to being a part of that chase to RPD that night. Even though they remain employed, DA Freeman says they're not allowed to bring criminal charges in her district any longer. So if they want to keep their jobs, they'll have to do it outside of Wake County.